Ay, kasi meron pa, oh. Marami pa. Marami pa. Oras na to, ah.
We need to clean the condenser.
Sumabit ka dito, oh. Mayroon pa dito.
As you can see, there is a blockage on that pipe.
Pero mo doon, para makita natin.
The scenario is almost 3 hours. The compressor is stopped, triggered by high pressure discharge. We observed that the discharge, the pressure of the condenser in and out has a big pressure drop. Means there is a blockage. Okay, we decide to open and clean this condenser. This is the fresh water cooling medium for our condenser. This is the cause why high pressure discharge activates. As you can see, there is a blockage on that outlet pipe that we saw earlier. We need to clean that one, and we decide to clean as well as the condenser. As you can see in the cover, there is an anode. The old anode blocks the outlet of this fresh water. That's why there is a blockage on that outlet. Then we need to clean this condenser. By the way, see to it that you watch part 1 until this video, because that is the sequence when reviving this AC unit. After cleaning the condenser, our system works normally. All parameters are normal. This is big improvement to our system. Evaporator can cool down and reach to its set temperature. Our system is back to normal, free from alarm and operational. Okay, suction 5 bars and 17 bars for our discharge pressure. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. Thank you for following us.